A body search is a physical examination of a person's body to detect concealed objects, contraband, or injuries. It is a common practice in law enforcement, corrections, and security settings. Body searches can be conducted for a variety of reasons, including to detect contraband. Contraband is any item that is prohibited by law or regulation. This could include weapons, drugs, or illegal goods. To prevent violence. Body searches can be used to prevent violence by detecting weapons or other dangerous objects. To investigate a crime. Body searches can be conducted as part of a criminal investigation to gather evidence or identify suspects. To enforce security measures. Body searches are often conducted at airports, prisons, and other secure locations to ensure compliance with security regulations. There are different types of body searches, including frisking. Frisking is a pat-down search of a person's outer clothing. It is the least intrusive type of body search. Visual inspection. A visual inspection is a more thorough examination of a person's body. The person may be required to remove their outer clothing and underwear. Strip search. A strip search is the most intrusive type of body search. The person is required to remove all of their clothing and be inspected visually and with a handheld metal detector. Cavity search. A cavity search is an examination of a person's body cavities, such as the mouth, ears, nose, and rectum. Cavity searches are only conducted in very limited circumstances, such as when there is a strong suspicion that the person is concealing contraband. The legality of body searches varies depending on the jurisdiction and the circumstances. In general, body searches must be conducted with reasonable suspicion and in a manner that is least intrusive to the person's privacy. Frisking a person is a delicate and legally sensitive procedure that involves a thorough search of an individual's outer clothing for weapons or other contraband. It's important to note that laws regarding frisking vary by jurisdiction, and security personnel should be familiar with local regulations and receive proper training to ensure the safety and rights of all parties involved. Additionally, only authorized individuals, such as law enforcement officers or security personnel with the appropriate legal authority, should conduct frisks. Here are general guidelines for frisking a person. Authorization and training. Only individuals with proper authorization and training should conduct frisks. This often includes law enforcement officers or security personnel with specific legal authority. Explain the procedure. If you have the legal authority to frisk someone, explain the procedure to the individual to maintain transparency and reduce tension. Clearly state the reason for the frisk and what you are looking for. Ensure safety. Prioritize safety for both the person being frisked and the individual conducting the frisk. Be aware of your surroundings and ensure that there are no immediate threats. Request cooperation. Politely ask the individual for their cooperation. Clearly communicate that the frisk is a necessary security measure. Maintain professionalism. Conduct the frisk in a professional and respectful manner. Avoid using excessive force or making inappropriate comments. Use the back of your hands. Use the back of your hands to pat down the outer clothing. This is less intrusive and helps avoid any misunderstandings or discomfort. Focused areas. Concentrate on areas where weapons or contraband could be concealed, such as pockets, waistband, and outer clothing. Do not remove items. During a frisk, do not remove any items from the person's pockets or clothing unless it is immediately apparent that an item poses a danger. Document the frisk. If possible, document the frisk in accordance with your organization's procedures. This may include written reports or recording the interaction through body cameras, if available. Respect dignity and privacy. Respect the individual's dignity and privacy during the process. Minimize physical contact and avoid unnecessary exposure. It's crucial to emphasize that frisking should only be done when absolutely necessary and in accordance with the law. If there are suspicions or concerns about a person's behavior, it's often advisable to involve law enforcement or follow established organizational protocols. Improper frisking can lead to legal consequences, including charges of assault or violations of civil rights. Always prioritize the safety and well-being of all individuals involved. We hope you find this video useful. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Remember, together we can, and we will make our society a safer place.